So this is my program, my custom program tool. I'm going to be showing you. So we're going to just do like that. So if this turn on here, so now I open my browser here and I point it at it. Okay, so I'm going called test. You can just delete it, and you create a new one or pause one from video. Oh, there's a video demo. Submit. So you have this little video down here, the description, and we delete. Eventually, I add like a refresh button here, but that's how it refreshes. Next, we're gonna go to message sender, so show you to send messages. So, we have a thing called video. And we have a message of I like cookies, and we go to priority pie. We just go boop boop. Might help if I say I'm going correctly. Yada yada yada. Yep, successful. Back here, you'll see we have a new thing here called video. Has an endpoint this. It's easy, and if you guys have a weird endpoint that doesn't exist, it'll show up wrong. You go to error message here immediately, and on here, so you don't get any of that. You can easily spot if you actually set something up wrong. Very quick, very easy to best debug. Right here, if you reload this, boom, we have a new message here. I like cookies. So the tool is to consolidate this many frameworks. It's using these many different setting protocols. You have requests in Python. There's JetDispatch. There's numerous ones in many different frameworks. So we can all combine them to get these output to easily have highlighting these issues. So next, I'll explain this a little bit more here. So we're just basically defining it. This is our database of our endpoints and their descriptions. So basically, it's a dictionary inside of an array. It keeps adding more and more. So it has this route and test. Then there's a route list. Says all the routes. And we use this for error checking later on. And then we have the main route here. There's a website. Turns just the endpoint list. There's some volume stuff to the left in here I probably can remove, but I'm going to leave it here. Then it takes in loads of an HTML page, passing the variable buttons to endpoint list. So then more of this little later. Then we have we want a paint endpoint. Make sure it's a post request. Then it basically outputs there's another stuff there. Make sure it's in the route list so you don't feel like any reroutes, and you can always debug that later. This is the failed member. And just open this up and put some text files with some previous things, So here a bit. Okay. Then just close it. It's not gonna close things. Custom route. Let's say create a route. Here's our data and JSON. Then sends it. Yeah. Successful. We return everything. Remember, there's all endpoints. I'll leave use the same word, just there. Now we can delete endpoints by this too. In case you don't want to. So I would choose longs to fill it. Pretty simple. Make sure it's there. And then loads the data, reads it. Very simple, pretty easy. Next in here, a little bit more of the fancy stuff. So this is loading in our style sheet, loading in this weird Git request program I just found. And first thing, I probably should be using Fetch, but I'm going to fix it now. It's just saying it gets all our logs, and it's all the logs here. Then this creates the model for the little new drop-down thing. Then this is saying for all the buttons and the buttons variable that we assigned earlier in the list here. Right here, this is saying this iterates through it, It creates these many different those little drop-down boxes we had. Then you call our static JS, and then you call these other ones. This just makes all those drop-down boxes collapsible. And this one makes enter button have it equal, so we can easily run out endpoints. There's little shortcuts. This nice little thing for me. Code to run delete route just touches that and tells it, hey, get rid of everything. And then this is just send a new route. And then this is just for more of I think this is for the drop down menu. I copy and paste a lot of random stuff on the internet. And that's where the CSS comes in. Holy crap! I just copy paste everything. I literally found whatever on the internet, copy and paste it, boom in here. Don't know how any of this looks. Halfway, thanks. So that's kind of the code. And here, URL. I'm very honestly what do you mean, but yeah. Any questions? I'm more happy to answer. It's pretty simple and easy. It's pretty well.